What's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another video. And today I'm going to show you guys something that I've been using to market my business that a lot of companies should definitely take advantage of, especially at this point. And what we're going to be talking about is VO3 inside of Gemini. The way I've been using Gemini is for video generation and conceptual image generation, not as much for the actual work I need to do, but I do use it to change my YouTube transcript into a blog post, which you should definitely join the newsletter link in the description. So, right here, we have a prompt that says, a straight shot of an African American news anchor interviewing a wealthy businessman in front of a fireplace inside a grand living room. Okay, that's like the overview of the scene. And now we get into the dialogue. The news anchor says this, and they do this. The black man says this. And I'm not racist, okay? I have to be specific in the subjects that I want to use. If you want to use white, if you want to use yellow, if you want to use purple, that's perfectly fine. So this prompt is basically depicting everything that will happen here. So check this out.
How did you do it?
Honestly, it was the Views agency and my Black Card subscriptions. I get designs whenever I want.
Yeah.
And
How
You
did
see
you do
that?
it?
Like that's so cool. Check this one out.
How did you do it?
Honestly, it was the Views agency and my Black Card subscriptions. I get designs whenever I want.
How did you do
And
it?
now I'm going to show you the actual ad that I created with all of these.
How did you do it?
It was the Views agency and my Black Card subscriptions. I get designs whenever I want.
How did you do it?
3 letters. TVA. Got my black card?
How did you do it?
honestly, it was the Views agency and my Black Card. It's just so easy.
And you see that these aren't just, play videos. These are really realistic. They sound realistic, and they can push your company's message. They can be your advertisers. They can be your ads. They can be so many things with just VO3. And I'm very excited for what VO4 and other platforms like Midjourney and Runway are doing, because it's making it possible for you to have words in your mind, a thought, a straight shot. Okay, interviewing a wealthy businessman in front of a luxury building. These are sentences. These are nothing more than sentences. This sentence just translated into a completed image that is following the rules that I set for it, and it's good. It can actually be usable. So this is one of my favorite use cases. And how I actually did this was literally by just taking one of my old prompts that I used, but I did also use AI to create this for me. So I said, I want to create a 3-video series. It was 3 videos because that's how many videos you can create every single day on VO3 per account. I want to create a 3-video series in different scenes with different people to promote my Black Card offer. Here's an example prompt. And I gave it the prompt. And so it came back and it told everybody to basically say the same thing. 3 letters, TVA, and I wanted more variety. So I said each one doesn't have to say this, and then it kind of mixed it up. And I used that to go ahead and create
How did
the
you do
first
it?
one that you guys
3
saw.
letters.
A brightly
TVA.
lit, look, it said the scene is a brightly lit, bustling co-working space. And I just copied and pasted. This took me maybe 5 minutes because it only takes about a minute for the generation to finish. Really less than that. So now you see, for your business, AI videos are here. AI videos can be used to push your company's message, to be your advertisers. So do not sleep on this. I pay what, $21 a month, $26 a month for this subscription. This is a lot of value. So make sure you're taking advantage of it. But this has been D-Lo Brands. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.